In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to crop images non-destructively in Draw.io for Confluence Cloud. We'll start right inside Confluence. Open the page where you want the diagram to live and switch to editor mode so you can make changes. This keeps everything embedded on the page and easy for your team to find later. Next, add a new Draw.io board to the page. In the editor, type the command / followed by the word draw to insert a fresh Draw.io diagram. This opens the diagram canvas where we'll bring in your image. Inside Draw.io, go to the menu in the top left corner and choose Import From, then Device. Select the image from your computer that you want to crop. Importing from your device ensures you're working with the original image file, which is great for quality. You'll then be prompted to choose whether to place the image at its actual size or as a resized version. Actual size is best if you need pixel-perfect accuracy or plan to zoom in. Resized is helpful if you want the image to fit the canvas immediately. Don't worry too much here. You can still resize the image after it's placed without affecting the crop. Now, right-click the image on the canvas, choose Edit, and then Crop. You'll see the rectangle crop controls appear. Drag the handles on the edges or corners to frame exactly the part of the image you want to keep. You can also drag inside the crop area to reposition the image under the frame. This cropping in Draw.io is non-destructive, which means the full image remains intact behind the scenes. You're simply defining a viewport, so you can always change or remove the crop later without losing any pixels. Once you're happy with the selection, click Apply. Your image now shows only the section you chose, but the original is preserved. If you ever need to adjust it, repeat the right-click, Edit, Crop step, and refine the frame. When your diagram looks good, click Publish. This sends the updated diagram back into your Confluence page. You'll be prompted to enter a file name. Use something descriptive so it's easy to search and the version later, especially if your team maintains multiple diagrams. Finally, click Save. Your cropped image inside the Draw.io diagram is now embedded on the page. You've achieved a clean, precise crop without permanently altering the original image, making future edits quick and risk-free. That's it. Non-destructive image cropping in Draw.io for Confluence Cloud from start to finish.